SNAP recipients in Wisconsin have received their food assistance payments in full for the month of November. This comes after more than a month of food insecurity for recipients amid ongoing court challenges over whether or not the government has to provide full assistance. Our Maddie Heimsch brings exactly how the money made its way back into the pockets of recipients in our state and where food insecurity stands moving forward.
More than $100 million. That's how much money went out to Wisconsin households at midnight. And here's how it happened. On Thursday night, a federal court ordered the Trump administration to fully fund November SNAP benefits by Friday. Here in Wisconsin, the Evers administration filed the necessary information to SNAP vendors within hours, and funds went to recipients. This morning, the Trump administration asked an appeals court to block that judge's order, and just hours ago, the appeals court denied that request. The administration is now asking the Supreme Court to take up the issue. And the Supreme Court allowing the president to block the payments moving forward.
Okay, we're going to get through November. What's going to happen next month?
Christopher Morris with Way Forward in Middleton says the release of SNAP funds is a relief for the 700,000 Wisconsinites that rely on assistance, of which more than a third of whom are children.
There's thousands of children in Dane County that receive assistance.
And for him, it's personal.
I remember still counting down the hours until dinner and just be like, okay, hopefully it's going to be something substantial if we get anything. Being 8 years old like I was, you know, it's not like I could go out and get a job and put food on the table.
Having relied on food share benefits as a child himself, Morris says he knows the fear of the families that have needed extra assistance.
The new folks that have walked through these doors in the last week or two, and you know, that takes a lot of courage to come here.
The increased need, he says, began before the government shutdown and will likely continue after.
Just overheard someone like, wow, you know, there's some hope for me now, and I know that I'm not alone.
In the past 3 weeks, Way Forward says it's seen on average 20 to 30 more households in need of services each day.
That was Maddie Heimsch reporting. Thank you, Maddie. Wisconsin is one of just about half a dozen states that saw SNAP funds come through before tonight's Supreme Court ruling.